Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about our ninth chapter of maths, that is shapes and patterns. So in this chapter we learn finding and drawing lines of symmetry. Second one is rotating shapes by quarter and half turn. That means quarter means 1 by 4th and half means 1 by 2. Third one is creating pattern with shapes. Fourth one is assembling nets to make cubes and cuboids. So let's start our chapter. Moving to first topic. Here is the dotted line on each letter a line of symmetry? Write yes or no. That means line of symmetry which divides two letters into equal part. That is called line of symmetry. Firstly, we have letter C. It is a line of symmetry because we write C in this way. C in this way. When we cut these, half part is above and half is below, and these parts are similar to each other. That means yes, it is a line of symmetry. In B, this is not a line of symmetry because here is a line. It is when we cut these, one thing is that and other is that, which is not same. When this line is in the center of B, then it represents line of symmetry. No. And in M, yes, because when we divide this thing into two parts, these are same as it is. So it is a line of symmetry. Next one is draw line of symmetry for each of the following shapes. Line of symmetry, that means that divides each of the figure into equal parts. So first one is this. So in the center, in this way, it is a line of symmetry. In star, we have to draw. In star, we have to draw so many lines. First one is this. Second one, this. Third one, this. In this way we can draw so many lines. Next, in the half of this, we can draw a line. Similar in triangle, it is a line of symmetry. In this way we can draw a line of symmetry. Next one is symmetry. When you take a rectangular or square piece of paper and fold it in half, you will find two-dimensional part. The two parts are said to be symmetrical. Symmetry is when one part of the shape is identical to each another one. The dotted line in the figure is line of symmetry. This line is line of symmetry or the line of reflection. The two parts are also called the mirror image of one another. That means mirror. When we place one thing and put a mirror in front of that, we can see the reflection of that rectangular. In this way, the line of symmetry is an imaginary line which divides the shape into two identical parts. Some shapes have more than one line of symmetry. देखो इसमें क्या है, ओनली वन लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री है, बट सम पार्ट्स कैसे होते हैं जिसमें मोर देन वन लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री होती है, जो एक से ज़्यादा पार्ट्स में उसको डिवाइड करता है. लेट्स लुक एट दिस एक्टिविटी. I have a piece of paper. It is in rectangular shape. When I fold it, that means it is fit to another piece. Look like this. So in this way we can draw a line of symmetry. Two parts similar, when we again fold it, it is also cover the shape, and when again we fold it, it is also a rectangle. In this way, the line of symmetry, one part of shape is identical to another. That means एक part जो दूसरे के ऊपर fit हो रहा है, same similar shape. देखो अब look at this circle. There are 2 dotted lines. How many parts of this circle? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Another one is this and this. And similar in this figure, it is a triangle in shape. How many lines? 1, 2 and 3. So in total part of the rectangle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. In this way, we can divide the figures into more than 2 parts. Look at the above figures below. In the above figures, the butterfly has 1 line of symmetry. Only 1 line of symmetry in butterfly. Whereas the circle has 2 lines of symmetry. One is this and another one is this. The triangle has 3 lines of symmetry. 1, 2 and 3. In this way, we can draw lines of symmetry for 1, 2 and 3 or more than 3. Next one is rotation. Rotation is a circular movement of an object around a center. Let's see how shapes look when they are rotated by the specific turn and also create patterns or rotation. First one is quarter turn. Quarter means 1/4 turn. So देखो, look at this. This is a circle. How many parts of this? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1/4 turn, that means 1/4 part of the circle. Because 1, 2, 3 and 4 makes a 1 circle and 1/4 makes a 1/4 part of the circle. In order to understand, look the rectangle of on the right. When a shape move the position A to B, देखो firstly it is a rectangle and midpoint in the center. When we rotate, it position changes from A to B. It takes quarter turn, 1/4 turn. देखो सबसे पहले क्या था, हमारे पास ऐसे rectangle थी. जब हमने इसको रोटेट किया तो ये इस तरह से हो गया, तो ये कौन सा टर्न हो गया? 1/4 टर्न. So next one is example. Draw and show how the following shapes will look after making a quarter turn. जब देखो सबसे पहले एक शेप ड्रॉ की हमने एरो की, तो टू मेक अ क्वार्टर टर्न मूव अ टिप ऑफ एरो फ्रॉम द पोजीशन B to C. After making the turn, the shape will look like the figure on the right. देखो firstly we have to draw lines B to C and A to B, B to C. These are B lines, and when we make a quarter turn, that means only one turn. This is a arrow. This is a arrow, and when we make only one turn, it looks like this. So half turn, when the rectangle shown below is moved from position A to C, A to position C, it takes a half turn. When the shape is turned from B to D and C to A or from D to B, we say that the shape had made a half turn. So firstly A, B, C, D turn to D, A, B, C. Next one is C, D, A, B. In this way we can make a half turn. First, second, this is a half turn, third and fourth. So in this way we can turn the shape of any figure. Draw and show how the following shape will look after making half turn. देखो हमने एक shape draw करनी है. We have to tell what shape will look after making half turn. To take a half turn, move the tip of arrow from position C to A. That means C to A. We have to take the position in this is here A and here is C, and position C to A, after making a turn the shape will look like the figure on height. That means we have to turn like this. This is, in this way we can turn shape C to A. There are some shapes which look like the same when rotate the quarter and half turns. Let's look the example. कुछ ऐसी फिगर्स हैं जब हम उसको रोटेट करते हैं तो वो उनकी शेप में कोई भी मतलब बदलाव नहीं आता, वो सिमिलर दिखाई देती हैं. Give this shape a quarter turn and observe what happens. We turn the shape from position A to B. फर्स्टली हमने A to B इसको चेंज किया तो देखो A to B, फिर look like same these two. We see that shape looks exactly the same after making a quarter turn. Quarter means 1/4. जैसे ये वाला टर्न है, इसको only one time हमने रोटेट किया है,